Did you know most of the supermarket hummus contain added oil, preservative, artificial acidity regulator, and more, which is not the best for our health and usually costs much more than if you make it at home.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, former scientist in area of the nutrition and skeletal research, and last 8 years of work in pharma, and most recently resigned to become a full-time healthy lifestyle coach. In this channel, I come up with science-based idea and tips which you easily can implement it in your day-to-day life in order to maintain and improve your overall health. These tips can be in area of the nutrition, exercise, mindful activity, and more. And if that's something which you wanted to consider and you're interested, maybe you wanted to subscribe to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make the hummus at home. It's easy and fast and it's much more healthier than what you buy from the store and more likely be cheaper as well. And hopefully that motivates you to just try it, and I'm going to highlight the benefit of the hummus and why it's a good idea to add it to your diet as well. Ingredient we need for making hummus at home, basically it's optional, but I like the taste of the caramelized and onion and garlic in my hummus. Basically you need those two, lemon, and then sweet paprika. Again, this is optional. You need a bit of white vinegar, olive oil to fry your garlic and onion, salt, of course chickpeas. I use chickpeas in can because it's much faster, and obviously tahini and a bit of cold water. Therefore, to start, I'm going to start to chop the onion. Frying our onion. Bit of olive oil. And meanwhile, I'm gonna start to chopping our garlic. And I'm gonna add now our garlic. Don't want to over fry the garlic because the aroma gonna get out. Oh, this part is done. That's fantastic. I'll turn it off. First chickpea. I'm gonna get rid of the water. Add it to here. Adding our caramelized onion and garlic. Add a bit of salt. This is 1 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of the sweet paprika. Tahini. I'll put 2 tablespoons. A lime. One tablespoon of white vinegar. Add a tad of water. put it together. It's just quite good. I may add half a tablespoon of the vinegar and a tad more water. Let's put it back. If you can just add a bit of olive oil and a bit of paprika powder and a bit of fresh sesame.
This hummus offers powerful health benefit for you. It has high fiber, which supports your digestive and gut health. Have a lot of plant-based protein, which balance appetite and stabilize blood sugar. Has healthy fat from tahini. Support steady energy. Have antioxidant rich thanks to garlic, onion, lemon, and paprika. And it's keep you full and prevent you from overeating, which helps your overall healthy weight for you.
As you can see, making hummus like this, it takes around 5 minutes, and if you didn't add caramelized onion or garlic, even be faster. And now you have the hummus which is free of all of those extra ingredients which you don't want, and you know it's not the best for your health, such as preservative, all extra sugar, extra salt. Therefore you just do it the way you want it, and also you know it's much healthier options. Hopefully this video encourage you just try at least to making your homemade hummus. And I just want to thank you again to give your valuable time to me and watching this video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumb up and share it with your family and friend. In the end, I just want to wish you all the best and healthier and happier life ahead. And please eat healthy, be active, and be curious. Bye for now.